You are welcome to Vedic TV, where you get information based on fact.
Good day, my Nigerian people. Good day, everyone. How on that day? I hope see everybody stay jiggy. Our today's matter arises and says, Kanus lawyer insists on replacement of Justice Nyako. Rejects federal government request for trial resumption. Kanus lawyer is rejecting the retrial of Nnamdi Kanu. So what are they planning to do if they reject it? What exactly is the plan if there's no trial or if they plan to have no trial again for Nnamdi Kanu? But let's get to the content of the day. Let's know what exactly this content entails. Lead counsel for the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, Aloy Ejimako, had rejected a request by the federal government to fix dates for the resumption of his client's trial. Disclosing this in a post shared in his X page on Tuesday, Ejimako noted that Kanu rejected the federal government's bid to reopen the trial and insisted that a trial judge, Justice Binta Nyako, must recuse herself from the case. He argued that Justice Nyako's decision to recuse herself was still valid and binding, accusing the prosecution of attempting to mislead the court and insisting that Kanu no longer has a case before Justice Nyako. He said, "Our position is based on the fact that Justice Nyako entered and enrolled an order recusing herself on September 24, 2024, and to date, that order remains extant and subsisting. It has not been set aside by any competent court. For the avoidance of doubt, as of September 24, 2024, the defendant no longer has any case to answer before Justice Binta Nyako. Kanu, who is being prosecuted on 7 counts of alleged treasonable felony and terrorism, has pleaded not guilty to all charges. He was first arrested on October 14, 2015, following his return to Nigeria from the UK, and was later granted bail in 2017 on health grounds after being detained by the Kuje Correctional Facility. So now that Nnamdi Kanu and Aloy Ejimakor has rejected the retrial of Nnamdi Kanu's case, what's going to happen? We get it. You don't want the person that records herself from the case to come back again to be the judge of the case. Understandable. But now that you've rejected the trial or the federal government's request for trial, what is your plan? What exactly is the plan that you have for your clients, Nnamdi Kanu? Or what exactly is the plan what plan does Nnamdi Kanu have for himself to be released? Is there a plan for Nnamdi Kanu's release that we don't know about? Or what exactly? Because if he's rejecting the retrial of his case, how else will they release him? Or what other plan does he have to be released? That's the question I have right now. Justice Binta has been okay, fine. She recused herself, and Nnamdi Kanu is saying that she has no right to continue with the trial and the case. Okay, fine. They should get another what's it called? Judge that will be able to help in the retrial of the case so that he can be released and free and become a free man. Because there is no way they can have a court ruling without a judge. It's not done anywhere at all. So for him to be released and for this case to be able to go well, they need a judge. So perhaps, yes, not perhaps, he has said that he doesn't want Justice Binta in his case. Are they planning to put another judge in? Are they planning to put another person that will be there to judge the case? Is there a plan to put a new judge that will help in the trial of the case? Those are the questions we're asking right now. And we know that Nnamdi Kanu doesn't have many choices here. He has been detained since 2015. And now that the federal government are like, okay, share this more light. Okay, fine, let's bring him out for trial. He's rejecting the judge that they're bringing for him. He doesn't have many options. He doesn't have a lot of options to choose from. So the little he has, he should make good use of it. Does he have any other plan for his trial? Or does he have any other plan for a judge that would take over his trial? They should, and they will. They will either put in a request that, okay, let a new judge come for this trial, or something is going to happen because, like I said, there is no way they will have a court ruling without a judge there to rule it. There is no other person that can do that job that a judge does. So yeah. But amongst every other thing, it's amazing or it's great that the federal government are finally trying to work things out with Nnamdi Kanu. And hopefully it brings out a positive light. That they won't put him back in the prison or in the cell or or detain him again. Because if they do that again after a trial has been done, it will escalate. See, it will not look like the situation that the southeastern zone is in right now is going to be mediocre compared to what is going to happen if they put him back in detention. So hopefully this retrial, instead of bringing negativity, it will bring positivity. Instead of more crimes and other things, they'll finally release Nnamdi Kanu so that a lot of these problems and lockdowns and crimes will reduce in the southeastern zone. So hopefully there'll be something done. A new judge will come and take up the case, and they'll be able to give a good ruling that will favor not just Nnamdi Kanu but everybody in Nigeria, especially the southeasterners. So we've come to the end of today's content. Do not forget to subscribe and stay tuned to our channel. Thank you.